The Blue Lock update. New Blue Lock update. We got a Gold Rush duos, a King rework. So we also got some insane codes. Into this video we'll be going over and actually showing you how you can get a lot of free cash, a lot of free lucky spins, as well as a free slot. So let's go ahead and show you the codes. Show you the brand new working codes in this new update. And if you didn't already know, the King got reworked. So King is a mythical right now. You can see that King is a mythical. Comment down below King if you want a free slot, because we are doing a free slot giveaway today. If you do need a free slot, guys, you can get yourself a free slot right away by commenting King. Just if you comment down below King, you can easily get yourself a free slot. So for the codes, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe. The first code is going to be the King code. So 1.5 King code. So this is the first code that you can actually redeem in Blue Lock Rivals. It is the King code 1.5 million. I have to be level 10 to redeem this code. The next code is going to be very simple as well. It's going to be King rework, but guys, this code will be available after 1 day. So it's pretty much the upcoming code, guys. The King rework code didn't even kick in. This will kick in a couple hours after the update. Let's see if there is anything crazy happening on the Discord, because I guess we got some new announcements. The code list has been updated. Okay. Wait. King rework is working. King rework is working. So I repeat, guys. Everybody, lock in. Blue Lock, lock in. King rework is actually working. So the next code will be very insane. We got the RUSH. The Gold Rush code. Gold Rush code. Make sure you guys redeem the code. Get yourself a bunch of free lucky spins. And if you do want a extra slot, make sure you guys comment down below King, so you're not missing out on any of these insane characters. With an extra slot, you'll be prepared for any upcoming updates that you can ever imagine.